Hello and welcome to this video on the best properties to buy in Dubai and their prices. Dubai is known for its luxurious and glamorous lifestyle, making it a popular destination for investors from all around the world. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the best properties to buy in Dubai and their prices. Stick around till the end to know the price of Burj Khalifa. First we have Business Bay, which is a central business district in Dubai. Business Bay is a popular area for professionals and young couples looking for a modern and convenient lifestyle. Prices for apartments in Business Bay start at around 800,000 AED, approximately 200,000 USD, for one bedroom apartment. If you're looking for more affordable options, then Jumeirah Village, JVC, is an area that you may want to consider. JVC is a family-friendly community that is known for its affordable properties. Prices for the apartments in JVC start around 500,000 AED, approximately 130,000 USD dollars, for a one-bedroom apartment. Another area to consider when looking to buy property in Dubai is Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a popular waterfront community that is home to many luxurious apartments and villas. Prices of apartments in Dubai Marina start at around 1.2 million AED, approximately 330,000 USD dollars, for a one-bedroom apartment. Next on our list is Palm Jumeirah, which is an artificial island that is shaped like a palm tree. The Palm Jumeirah is one of Dubai's most expensive and exclusive areas and is home to some of the most expensive properties in the city. Prices for apartments in Palm Jumeirah start at around 2 million AED, approximately 550,000 USD dollars, for one bedroom apartment. Finally on our list is Burj Khalifa, the property you all were waiting for, which is the tallest building in the world. It is located in downtown Dubai and offers breathtaking views for the city. The price for apartments in Burj Khalifa start at around 3 million AED, approximately $800,000, for a one-bedroom apartment. In conclusion, Dubai is a wide range of properties to choose from, ranging from luxurious and expensive to more affordable options. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly community or a modern and convenient lifestyle, Dubai has something to offer to everyone. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching and subscribe for freshly brewed content.